In this video, let's see how to install BMW wheel spacers correctly.
BMW G20 wheel spacers are safe to use, as long as the wheel spacers are installed correctly. Using a cross spanner to loosen the stock bolt on the front wheel side in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them altogether. A better safety measure will be placing jack stand to support each end of the car. Using a cross spanner to remove stock bolt on the front wheel side. Installing a wheel hanger. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the bonus forged lightweight plus BMW G20 wheel spacers. Then install the wheel hanger. Install the wheel and the extending wheel bolt. Use a torque spanner to tighten the extending wheel bolt to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the extending wheel bolts work. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. The same operation is done for the remaining wheels. After installing the wheel spacers, drive slowly back and front, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. Bonoss recommends checking the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months, and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. If you're looking for BMW wheel spacers with durability and are lightweight, then Bonoss Forged Lightweight Plus Wheel Spacers Kit is a perfect option. The spacers are machined with hollow-covered holes, under the promise of ensuring safety and reliability. It effectively reduces weight and energy. Consumption loss improves control performance, and achieves a balance between the high performance and environmental protection. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production cost, for better customer experience, we have maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrades.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.